So we have seen that moving from 1-bit predictor to 2-bit predictor improves things, primarily because the one-off occurrences of the other behavior are not going to change our complete decision. So now the question is, if the increase in the predictor size this way worked, why not do the 3-bit predictor or a 4-bit predictor? The bad part of using more bits per predictor is that the cost goes up in proportion to how many bits we need. We still need to have the same number of predictor entries in order so that each branch has its own predictor entry and not share it with another branch that behaves differently. So for the same number of entries, we will have this doubles the cost, this is going to add another 50% to the cost, and so on. So we are increasing the cost. It might be worth it if the prediction accuracy is improving. So the good side is that sometimes the branch prediction accuracy does improve as you go to 3 bits or 4 bits. When? Well, adding 3 bits or 4 bits is going to increase the hysteresis. So for a longer time, we will keep guessing the old way even though decisions are going the other way. So really, the only time when this is good is when anomalous outcomes come in streaks. If you have a streak of, for example, not taken all of the time, and then it happens that you have taken very often after that, and then again not taken for a while, then actually having a 3-bit predictor would solve the problem of being convinced the other way when the taken happens. But the real question is, how often do we really have in real programs that anomalous outcomes come in streaks? And the answer is not very often. So what we might have is that the 3-bit predictor might be worth it, but definitely not the 4-bit predictor. So somehow we really want to have either a 2-bit predictor or a 3-bit predictor, and most of the time we're just fine with the 2-bit predictor. We're getting most of the benefits we would get with more bits for a lower cost. So we really should stay with the 2-bit predictor and maybe move to 3 bits if we really want to. But if moving to more bits like this is not helping us, then the question becomes, but how do we then improve prediction beyond the 2-bit predictor? We have already seen that neither 1-bit nor 2-bit predictor work really well when we have things like not taken, not taken, etc. And now a human being that looks at this sequence, not taken, etc., will correctly guess that the next outcome here will probably be not taken followed by taken and so on. So this branch turns out to be perfectly predictable. It's just that it's not predictable with a 1-bit or 2-bit predictor.